Tower, this is Ghost Rider requesting a flyby.
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
Great balls of fire!
Donald Trump is running for president in 2024. Mint it, take it to the bank. You can go ahead and bring this video with you and say, Benny, you were right. The reason why we know this is because we've been making a lot of phone calls. We're very friendly with Trump World, and we know a lot of people. And they're telling us that Donald Trump is running. They're saying it's gonna happen and that Trump right now is working on his announcement date. But the most important released asset that says that Donald Trump is running for president is this. Donald Trump released a video this week that guarantees his run for president in 2024. Trump revealing that his plane has gotten a makeover. Donald Trump's plane has been in a hangar for the last 6 years. This plane is iconic. It was called Trump Force One for a reason. Trump traveled throughout 2015 and 2016 on this plane, and it's what he credits in part for his 2016 victory. Donald Trump owning his own 757 was the reason that Donald Trump could go to like 4 or 5 states at a time and hit up places like Wisconsin, Michigan, and Iowa and win those states. I personally was in Iowa and watched Donald Trump fly into a rural airport in Dubuque, and crackling behind me was the Air Force One theme song. It was a thing of legend. Donald Trump landed that plane and got off, and he just looked presidential. You expect a president to arrive in the magnitude of a giant Boeing plane, and it's epic to see. Well, that plane had been mothballed and majorly updated. A lot of security features needed to be added, I've been told, and a lot of new features added to the plane, including a snazzy new paint job. But the reason we think that this plane is the key to Donald Trump's 2024 announcement is because of its significance to Donald Trump. Donald Trump loves this plane, and he wrote on Truth Social that he's just so excited for this new shiny asset to be hitting the campaign trail. See you soon in 2022, fall of 2022 or earlier. Now, what does that mean? That is a signal that Donald Trump is going to be announcing using this plane as an announcement feature when he travels to various locations. Donald Trump travels right now in sort of a hodgepodge of private planes and planes from donors and things like that. If you're bringing Donald Trump into an event, you'd hire a plane to bring him there, right? He's not going to fly coach. He ain't flied coach since he was a little baby, little bouncing baby Trump. Donald Trump's plane signifies a return to the campaign trail. This plane was the plane that won him the presidency in part in 2016 and will win him the presidency again. According to Donald Trump, this is the key element in his ability to really run circles and laps around Hillary Clinton. You remember the meme, Hillary Clinton didn't go to Wisconsin. Why didn't you go to Wisconsin? You lost Wisconsin. Well, part of the reason why Donald Trump could do these kind of things is his own plane. The video is just gorgeous of what they've done to this thing. We love the fact that the accents have gone from sort of blue to black. We love the fact that there is now an American flag on the tail instead of a giant T. The plane has had some major things changed inside and out. But for security purposes, you can't see the inside of the plane. The outside of the plane, though, looks dope. Donald Trump wanted to have the plane resemble what we've been told, the model for Air Force One. Donald Trump was going to remake Air Force One. It needed to be updated. And if you go to Mar-a-Lago right now, you can see this gorgeous model of what he wanted to turn Air Force One into. We have no idea who chose the colors for Air Force One, but periwinkle blue is a totally weird color for the president to be flying in. Why is the Air Force One plane colored this way? We don't actually know. But we do think that the plane that Donald Trump designed has a much greater tie to the blue that is regularly associated with the presidency and regularly associated with our country. This plane's new paint job is also a reflection of the fact that Donald Trump wants that Air Force One back, because he's recoloring his plane with great seriousness in order to drive home the point and to reflect an Air Force One that has more dominance and more anchoring to the American experience. The videos of Donald Trump's plane being remade are truly epic. There's a much longer form one. We'll play it for you now, but we gotta say, we're very excited, and watching these videos were thrilling to us, and obviously the Trump family as well. Eric Trump being very excited about this on Twitter, posting this tweet. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Trump Force One hitting the road again. Donald Trump will be announcing he's running for president this fall or earlier. Take it to the bank. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Our channel is here for the truth and also to make you smile a little bit in this extreme era of disinformation and misinformation and people trying to control your brain and what happens inside of it. It's so important that we support independent creators like our channel, and we thank you for watching. If you want to check out some more of our videos, we highly encourage that. Please punch the like and subscribe buttons on your screen to support our channel. It's free. And ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you are following along with independent creators who want to keep this place free. God bless you.